Hello all, welcome to the 5CN Academy. So today we will start the studying about coordinate systems. In this I decided to uh, divide it into two parts. One is part 1 and one is part 2. So part 1 contains only about the what is the coordinate system and types of the coordinate system, while part 2 contains a representation of unit vectors in coordinate system as well as line, surface and volume elements in different type of coordinate systems. Okay, so today we will start with what is the coordinate system. What is the coordinate system? So in a simply, if I want to explain in single line or in a way, so to represent any physical quantity in a very beautiful manner, we need coordinate systems. So coordinate systems are basically given by mathematicians and beautifully used by physicists. Suppose this is x and y. I will start from two dimensional. Suppose here is some person or someone is seated or standing. So how you can tell the position of this system? Suppose in your room, one room is there. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. From A, B, C, D, some person is standing here. So I asked someone what is the position of this person. Then what should be the reply? Reply should be from the B corner this person is at 5 meter, or from the A corner this person is at 9 meter. Okay, so what you assumed? You assumed some condition, right? Some condition like some origination point from where I can answer this question very carefully. Okay, so suppose I ask someone what is the position. So from in x direction this is at 4 and in y direction this is at 5. Simple. So this is called the coordinate system, way of representation in mathematical way of physical quantities. So suppose now consider some other condition like 3D. Consider a aeroplane is in air. Okay, so that time what is the position, and at that position what is the speed of that or velocity of that plane? So how we will explain? Suppose they will explain, you saw some coordinates also, some coordinates in map, Google Maps also, what is the some, or in movies also, the from 33 degree northeast to someone and all. So that we can also study with the coordinate systems only. Okay, so for the aeroplane case, suppose you will tell some x positions, y position as well as some height which is the z position also. So this normal system is called the linear coordinate system. Okay, linear coordinate system. There is two other coordinate systems on the basis of the symmetrical things available on the earth. Mathematicians derived from the linear to spherical coordinate system as well as cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, so these two derived by mathematician and very beautifully used by mathematicians in the field of electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, as well as in classical mechanics, relativistic mechanics, and also in some parts of optics. I will explain how. So first I will explain a little bit about spherical and cylindrical coordinate system today. So first, cylindrical coordinate system. So for the cylindrical coordinates, like in this x, y, z are the coordinates, right? So what are the coordinates in cylindrical coordinate system? So the cylindrical coordinate, first coordinate is s, which is this, okay, which is this, means along the radius of the cylinder. Second one is the phi. Phi is the basically angle between the s, that means radius of the cylinder, and the x coordinate in linear system, okay, phi. Then z, z is basically height. So unit vectors along that direction is s cap, phi cap, and z cap, okay. So these are the basically cylindrical coordinate system. Now next one is the spherical coordinate system. For the spherical coordinate system, if I will consider a sphere, suppose a sphere, this is your y, this is your z, okay. Then first one is the first first coordinate is r, which is along the radius of the sphere. Second one is called theta. So for theta is the angle between this r vector and the z vector, okay, and the z vector. So this is theta. Third one is the phi. So phi is the basically projection of r in the direction r sine theta, okay. I will explain all the how these are working in the next lecture. And angle with the y axis is called phi, okay. So this is phi. Correspondingly, unit vectors are r cap, theta cap, and phi cap. So this is for the spherical coordinate system. I will explain in the next lecture one how the movement of these coordinates takes place. Second one, how the limit of these coordinates varies, okay. Thank you.